A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development on Capitol Hill, President Joe Biden has officially endorsed a ban on stock trading by congressional members, a move that reflects growing bipartisan sentiments on the issue. During an interview with Faiz Shakir, a political advisor for Senator Bernie Sanders, Biden expressed his concerns regarding lawmakers profiting from stock trades while serving in office. "I don't know how you look your constituents in the eye and know because of the job they gave you an inside track to make more money. I think we should be changing the law," Biden stated emphatically. The interview, which is set to be released soon, highlights the ongoing debate surrounding the ethics of stock trading among politicians, particularly in light of past incidents where lawmakers reportedly profited from insider knowledge related to the COVID-19 pandemic. A bipartisan group of senators, including Democrats Jon Ossoff, Gary Peters, and Jeff Merkel, alongside Republican Josh Hawley, had previously introduced legislation aimed at prohibiting members of Congress from buying and selling individual stocks. This proposed legislation would also extend to the spouses and dependents of congressional members. Despite the widespread support for such a ban, the proposal has yet to receive a vote in Congress, raising questions about the political will to enact meaningful reforms. Biden's endorsement comes at a critical juncture, just a month before the end of his term, and may serve to galvanize support for the proposed legislation. The president's remarks align with a growing public outcry against perceived corruption and self-dealing among elected officials. In the past, lawmakers have faced scrutiny for trading stocks after receiving private briefings on sensitive information, further fueling calls for greater transparency and accountability. While Biden has previously refrained from taking a definitive stance on this issue, his recent comments signal a shift towards advocating for stricter regulations governing congressional stock trading. As the political landscape continues to evolve, the implications of Biden's endorsement remain to be seen, particularly as Congress approaches the holiday season and the looming deadline for government funding. With the spotlight now on this issue, it remains to be seen whether lawmakers will heed the call for reform or continue to grapple with the ethical dilemmas posed by stock trading in Congress. The conversation surrounding congressional stock trading is emblematic of broader concerns regarding political accountability and the integrity of public office. As more Americans express frustration over the perceived disconnect between elected officials and their constituents, the push for reform is likely to gain momentum in the coming weeks. Biden's endorsement may serve as a catalyst for further discussions on the need for comprehensive ethics reforms that address not only stock trading but also other areas of potential conflict of interest within Congress. As the political discourse unfolds, one thing is clear. The issue of congressional stock trading is not going away anytime soon, and lawmakers will need to confront the growing demand for transparency and accountability in their actions. With public trust in government at an all-time low, the stakes have never been higher for Congress to act decisively on this pressing issue. As the new year approaches, the pressure will be on lawmakers to demonstrate their commitment to ethical governance and to restore faith in the democratic process. It is a pivotal moment for American politics, and how Congress responds to Biden's call for a ban on stock trading will be closely watched by constituents and political observers alike. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.